let's start with what exactly do you guys do? What are you guys doing?
So geofencing, which is our passion, our business, uses the special relationship between smart devices and satellites. And with the satellite, there are 3 GPS satellites that we have access to. We're able to take them and task them to draw a virtual fence around any location. So once we draw a fence around a location, we can measure, we can then send ads out and measure smartphone devices that enter that fence. So in short, geofencing is the ability to draw precise fences around a building and then target those people with ads that enter that building. So say, for example, all your competitors in a given region, and then send ads to their smart devices. And then when they see your ad, their device is captured. It's anonymized, meaning we protect the privacy of the smartphone user. But we could draw certain inferences based on your location. So if you're in a competitor laundromat, it's fair to say that if we offer you a better opportunity, a better service down the street, it's more likely you'll come to one of our stores, and then when you do, the satellite pings us, alerting us that a new visit has taken place.
And it's all satellite verified, so.
Yeah, well, and that's pretty incredible. You know, it's one thing to be able to target a specific area, which is incredible in and of itself, but then it's another thing to be able to follow that basically and determine that they've actually come to your location after the fact, that's a game changer, I think.
It really is. We've done over 5,000 satellite verified in-store visits for our clients across the country. So yeah, we're excited.
So that's where we are now. Today, we're delivering 5,000 satellite verified visits just to laundromats every month. And, you know, we're not a big company. It's just me and Barbara. So
Yeah, we have a team, but
Right.
we're in the trenches. We work really hard with our clients and their ad spend money, and we make sure that they're getting the value. And that's very important. We don't outsource it. We're right in the trenches, making sure that their ads are where they're supposed to be and getting the results in front of the people.